Hello, Wim Dijkgraaf here, Metal Heaven, with a quick system walkthrough showing how fast we can calculate or estimate metal quotations. Much with uploading geometries or CAD files, in this case step files. This is one of the assemblies I uploaded. If it's sheet metal with bending, then it will be what is called unfolded in order to be able to calculate the material usage. Here we see an assembly with tubes, tube cutting, also some sheet cutting parts as well as purchasing parts. It recognizes the purchasing parts, it recognizes all the dimensions of the tubes. In order to create a quotation now, it's a matter of assigning an amount. So for example, 5 of these and 10 of these. Besides that, we have to assign material, and Rhodium will fully automatically choose the right articles from an article file with the prices, the purchasing prices, and it starts calculating now. We see the nestings in order to determine material usage for both the tubes and the plates. And we have a price with a quotation. That is Rhodium.